Imagine a world where you could create your own personal dream vacation. A world where you could explore exotic locations, meet fascinating people, and experience breathtaking adventures. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with the Vivid app, it's not. But here's the million-dollar question: is the Vivid app free? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to the main event, let's take a quick look at what the Vivid app is all about. It's a virtual reality travel app that allows you to experience immersive travel experiences from the comfort of your own home. You can explore ancient ruins, trek through lush rainforests, and even swim with dolphins, all without leaving your couch. The free trial. Now, to answer your burning question, yes, the Vivid app does offer a free trial. This trial period gives you a taste of what the app has to offer, allowing you to explore a few destinations and experience a handful of virtual adventures. It's a great way to see if the app is right for you before committing to a subscription. Subscription options. Once your free trial is over, you'll need to subscribe to continue using the app. Vivid offers a few different subscription options, each with its own features and benefits. There's a basic plan that gives you access to a limited number of destinations, and then there are premium plans that offer more features, such as higher quality visuals and exclusive content. Is it worth it? So, is the Vivid app worth the cost? Well, that depends on your personal preferences and how much you value immersive travel experiences. If you're a travel enthusiast who loves exploring new places, the Vivid app can be a great way to satisfy your wanderlust without breaking the bank. Plus, it's a convenient and safe way to travel, especially during times when real-world travel may be restricted. To sum up, the Vivid app is not entirely free, but it does offer a free trial that allows you to experience its features before committing to a subscription. Whether or not the app is worth the cost is a matter of personal preference, but if you're looking for a way to explore the world from the comfort of your own home, the Vivid app is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying out the Vivid app for yourself, I'll leave a link to the App Store in the description below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Until next time.